You want to sign up to my webinar when I say nothing for 40 minutes and then I try to sell you something? Not gonna happen. Want me to give you 3 tips that you can implement today that will take your revenue to the roof? Not gonna happen. You think I'm going to teach you stuff on the whiteboard now? Not gonna happen. Want to download my PDF guide when I show you step by step how to grow your business in 48 hours? Not gonna happen. Want me to tell you the secret sauce of Coca-Cola? Not gonna happen. Want me to share with you the formula we use to get to 7 figures without using any of the initial budget? Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. You wanna know why? Because we're not like everybody else. I'm not here to tell you stories or sell you illusions. I'm not a magician. My name is Hilik Chaviv. I'm with HVMA Marketing, and we can help you use the data you already have in place from your channel, from your website, from your email list, from social media, from any advertising, to improve your organization's performance, to improve team efficiency, to make better decisions based on the data, to understand the target audience wants and needs. This will also help us reach and discover new potential audiences so we can drive new traffic and sales. Then, we create effective marketing campaigns that will trigger their attention and make them more likely to buy from you. Let me show you what I mean. The average company, when they try to reach a new customer, what do? They create some kind of a content, offer, promotion, and ad, and then they get one of the 3 options. Either the audience is interested, either they're not interested, or they have some interest. It's the classic yes, no, maybe. Yes, I'm interested. No, I'm not interested. Can you please send me more information? Our job is to get more people interested by the offer that we send them. That way, not only we increase the sales because you have more people interested in the service, also we save on the budget because we're not spending it on people that are less likely to buy or not interested in the service. The way to know it is by analyzing the data correctly. But that's not the only benefit of working with us. Segmenting your current audience so we can create upsell options. Technically, converting your current customers into customers again. Also, marketing automations, which will help you save tons of time, and it is very effective for sales. Now, who is this for? B2B, B2C, anybody that is collecting a lot of information on their channels. If you have good traffic on your website, if you have a big email list, if you have a lot of engagement on social media, or you have a lot of followers, not fake followers, if you created ads in the past and you want to use the data to understand the target audience, if you want to build subscriptions or memberships or online courses, all these, we can help you with that. So if you think that's you and you're ready to move forward and scale your business and take it to the next level, here's the next step of what you should do. Around this video, you know the routine already. There's either a button or a form or a calendar. Click on it. Schedule a meeting with us. We'll see if we're a good fit. Keep in mind, we're only looking for serious people and people that are ready to move forward to the next level. So if it is you, click the button, schedule a meeting with us. Let's see if we're a good fit. And if we are, we would love to work with you.